Have you ever spent hours creating the perfect dashboard just to have to go ahead and recreate it for a different project? Or maybe your dashboard's complete, but now some of your data sources aren't working as you expected. In today's GeoSnap, I'm going to show you how we can configure, swap, and troubleshoot your data feeds all from one place using the Dashboard Data Sources tab.
I've gone ahead and pulled up a dashboard. This one is of the PWHL Walter Cup finalists for 2026, and it's highlighting where each player's hometown is. Right off the bat, we can see that there's something not right with my dashboard. On the left-hand side, I have a list of the players and their numbers, but it looks like the wrong information is being populated for the players' numbers. Additionally, in the bottom right-hand corner, I have an indicator that's supposed to count the total number of players, but right now it's showing 0. If we head over to the action bar on the left-hand side, we will find the Data Sources tab. The Data Sources tab allows us to see all of the data sources that are used within our dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and click the Configure Data Source button to troubleshoot the issue. Here we can see the data source, current layer selected, and the fields being referenced in my dashboard. Right away I can see that my PWHL 2026 stats layer is currently selected. This layer includes the player's stats like shots on net and time on the ice, which are not outlined in this dashboard. I'll go ahead and click into the layer, and then I'm able to change it to the correct layer. Now we can see there's an issue because there's no time on ice field within my regular season layer. To fix this issue, I'm going to go ahead and select the right field. Now we're able to see the total players indicators appearing as expected, and so is the team logo beside the player's name in my list, which is great. It still looks like there's something wrong with the player numbers though, so we'll head back to the Data Sources tab to check it out. Here we can see that the latitude field is being referenced when it should be the number field. Once we have that fixed, our player list is looking much better. Now that I'm happy with how the dashboard is looking and functioning, I'm going to show you how we can create a brand new dashboard by swapping out the dataset. We're going to start back in the Data Sources tab and click to configure our data source. From here, we can click Change and select a new map to be the foundation for our second dashboard. I want to create a player hometown map for the 2024 to 2025 season, so I'm going to go ahead and select that map. As you can see, it's gone ahead and matched up any fields in my old data source to the ones in my new map. It's done a pretty good job matching up the team, number, country, and position fields, but it had a hard time with the name field. All I need to do is manually select a field. In this case, it looks like my new maps field is called player name, so I will select that one. Once we click done, we can see we have a totally new dashboard with the same layout I created before. The list, map, and all the indicators have updated to reflect my new data source, and all I have to do is change the subtitle. Our final step is to save this as a new map. I'm going to go ahead and click Save from the action bar and then select Save As. I'll give the dashboard a more specific title, and then we're all ready to go with our new dashboard.